Welcome back to the fifth part of the video CapCut video series. So in this option we are going to discuss about the text. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can use the text and how you can put the animation on them. Simply you have to click on the text. After clicking on the text, come to the back. So simply you have to click on the text. After clicking on the text, you have to click on the add text. After clicking on the add text, as you can see, we have added the text. Now we have a styles. You can also choose the styles from here, and for example I'm going to choose style. Which one I'm going to use? This one. After that you have also some fonts. You can choose a font from there, from here also. I'm going to use this font. So I can first of all I should tell you, I want to let you know that these options work on internet. If you have internet connection, they will be download. After downloading, you can use them in future without internet connection. But for downloading them, you must have internet connection. After that style, I have selected this style. After the effect, you have the effect. If you want to use any effect, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to use this effect. Click on this or this effect. You can also do that, or this effect. I'm going to use this effect. After that, click on the animation option. If you want to use any animation like typewriter, throw out, type to, you can also do that. I'm going to use this option. And now write the text here. I'm going to write the text like, hey, how are you? Okay. After that, the bubble, and these are the options. We will discuss about them in the next video. So if you want to increase the text size, you can simply press your two fingers and then zoom them. They will be automatically, the size will be automatically increased. I hope this is the basic thing and all are aware from this. So this is simply, now what you have to do, you have to click on the right. After clicking on the right, you can see how does it works. So this is the simple way that how you can put the text in your video and use animation, sound effects and all things on them. So I hope you understand this video, and this is enough for today. See you in the next video.